Hi everyone, Arjun again today with another tricky tutorial related to Microsoft Word, especially for my friend. Let me explain his problem first. He wants to move customized chart together somewhere different section but could not. Problem is some shape and content is not moving together. Well, simply because they are not grouped together. When you move any shape or content from one place to other, I did guide him already, but he asked me to create a tutorial for people all around the globe who have the same problem. Okay, let's start. I have just dummy content and the page is in landscape mode with two sections. Let me add smart art, hierarchy, very plain, small, only two. Manage here, manager. Let's say into sales, into marketing, into very funny team pintu hintu lintu chintu. So when you add any shape, let's add the basic line here. If you press shift key together, that will make a straight line. The color is same, so that's why we can't see. Let me change yellow the way to go. Now when you move this to another page somewhere here, only the chart is moving, other part is not moving. So just right click there, text wrap, and then thorough. We can't see that underline because it's behind the smart art. That's why like we can move this smart art saying back him this, and let me customize with the control. You can make more on copy same time. Now when you move this, only the smart chart is moving, not the customized other shape. So you have done already, right click, wrap text thorough, but don't worry, you can change this after any time according to your requirement. So select the smart art and not with this pointer. If you hover the mouse, you can see selection arrow like that. Then after, hold the shift key from the keyboard and just select the other shape whatever you have added after. Then after, just right click, group, or from shape format, there is a group option here, group. Now this one is ready to move now together. You can move now easily, and if you want to apply the wrap text, you can change it after. Let's say bottom, top and bottom, you can edit that way. Perfect. Hope this video is useful. If you haven't already, please subscribe my channel and share. If you have any question, leave a comment on the comment box below. Bye bye.